Hello guys, welcome back again to my English vocabulary exercise today. Today I'm going to be going over the question words today in English. But before we get started, as always, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button down there for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So let's go over these brand new question words in English that you must know. Question words come up all the time in the English language and in other languages also. So you must know these question words in English in order to carry on or ask questions. So let's go over the first one. Who? Who is talking about, is asking about a person. It acts as a subject of the sentence. Let's use it in a sentence. Who is that woman over there? Let's look at the next word, question word, where. Where is asking in or at what place or position. Let's use where in a question. Where do you live? Let's look at the next question word, when. When is asking about time or an occasion or a moment. Let's use this in a question. When was the last time you visited the United States? Let's look at the next question word, why. Why is asking a question for a reason or an explanation. You're asking for an explanation. So let's use the question word why in a sentence. Why are you late today for class? Why are you late for class today? Let's use the next one. What? What is asking for a specific thing or object? Let's use the question word what in a sentence. What is the matter with you today? Let's use the next question word, how. How is asking for a way or a manner or form of something. For instance, let's use this one in a sentence. How do you go to school? What method do you use to go to school? How do you go to school? Let's use the next one. Which, the next question word, which. Which is asking about a choice. Let's use which, question word which, in a sentence. Which is better for exercise, swimming or going to the gym? Which is better? Which? Let's use the next question word, which is how many. How many is asking about quantity. You use it with accountable nouns. Let's use how many in a question. How many people was there at the party? How many people were there at that party last night? How many people? And the last one, the question word, how often. How often is asking about frequency. Let's use how often, the question word how often in a question. How often do you go jogging at the park? How often do you jog at the park? Well, those are the 9 question words that you should know in English. Study them. Practice is the key to comprehending English vocabulary words. Please like my page, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you've not already done so. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think what you think about this video. And I will see you doing the next English exercise. Have a great day, guys. Go out there and make it a great day. Bye.